Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio illuminator. This is going to be the model AW-80, and this is going to work for other Casio watch models as well. In my case, as you can see, after battery replacement, contact AC with minus using tweezers. So I have a metallic pair of tweezers which you can find inside the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools that I normally use for these watch battery replacements, and then I'm going to read everything that is written on the plate of the watch. Here I have an AC and a small arrow that points to the place where I need to do the AC reset. So I'm going to insert one tip of my pair of tweezers, and then I need to contact it with this minus right here. So I'm going to insert one tip inside right there, and then the other one I'm going to make sure that it connects with the circle for around 3 to 5 seconds. Then I'm going to flip the watch around, and normally your watches are going to reset to 0, so 12, and also you can see Saturday the 1st and January. So that is going to be a good indication that the AC reset was done properly. In case you want to watch the full guide on how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, I'm going to post the full guide in the description box below, and I'm also going to link all the tools that I regularly use for these Casio or G-Shock watch battery replacement tutorials. Once again, link in the description box below. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, watch the full guide, and I'm going to see you in the next video.